Yeah. Yeah. I got a bite. Oh. Got him in the net. See, he was nice enough to not splash me, y'all. What's up, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. Unfortunately, it finally happened to me, you guys. My GoPro did not record audio for like half of the day. And I'm just now figuring it out. I went to go edit the video and no sound for like the first half of the clips that I have. So I'm gonna do my best to try to voice over these clips and illustrate what a beautiful, magnificent day I was having. Like that. Look at that throw. Look at that bait I got. But then I got greedy. I say, let me throw some more. Let me see what else they got. Let's see what we do. Look at that technique. Perfect technique, by the way, by the gentleman in the video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Perfect technique. Let's see. Oh, you missed the rope. Come on. Oh, is your net stuck? Is it? Whoa, look at that. Look at them big fat shad that you got. That's actually what I said too. I called them fat. I don't want to body shame the fish though. But healthy is a better word. How about healthy fish? There go me shooting my intro thinking that I'm talking, but hey, look, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, you know, maybe I can afford a camera one day that I actually record audio. Who knows, right? Yeah, but I'm just gonna head to the spot, and I guess I could fast forward some of this because it's just me talking and I don't remember what I was saying, so let's get to the setup part. All right, here we go. Obviously, I'm gonna use one of them big old shad. I think right here I was talking about using the head piece. It's like a ritual. I always put the big chunk of head on the orange rod. Yeah, and check this rig out. This is I got it from Kayak Catfishing. He call it a stinger fly. He uses a fly on the bottom hook. I just use a jig head and I put a piece of bait on it, piece of shad normally. Or whatever I'm using, just a smaller piece of whatever on the top hook. Get more of that scent in the water and yeah, increase your chances. I like double hook rigs. I got a couple double hook rigs that I use. And yeah, this is my version of the takedown rig that you see on TikTok all the time. They got a big head piece. Yeah, see those takedown rigs, I know how to tie them. Maybe I'll make a video showing how I do it. You can buy everything off of Amazon. My go-to hooks for catfishing is the 8-aught Gamakatsu circle hook. And you can just find whatever rattle trap you like and the beads and the rattles. All that's on Amazon. You can buy them both. Got my orange one out. There you go. I got two different kind of shad on there. I got that big gizzard shad and a smaller piece of thread fin on the bottom. But it's bait in the water. All right, yeah, so I'm about to, this is a trick that I learned. When you hook the bait just through and through, then your bait could like flip up and end up sticking in the hook. So I'm just telling you to hook it diagonally like that. So I started off at the back and the hook comes out towards the front of the bait. That way it can't turn while it's in the water. And you keep your hook tip exposed and it won't. I mean, you won't miss the fish. But yeah, if you just hook it side to side, then you run the risk of your bait flipping because of the current, and your hook will end up like in the side of the bait, and you won't hook up with a fish. That's just me showing that one off. That's another one of those TikTok rigs. I think they call them takedown rigs or chunky rigs. And yeah, I had it color matched. Let's see. It's color matched with the rod. Yeah, see. This is where it started to get interesting. This is the first bite of the day after sitting there for like 2 hours. So, I mean, it's kind of the theme of the video today. Got like two schools of thought with fishing. You can either go find them, or you can wait and you can let them find you. It's kind of like a slow grind when you just sit there, but it is an effective method. And so the fish bumped that one time and it took forever to come back. And then the audio is about to start working on the rest of the clip. So here we go. Just got a big hit on this one. Let's see if it come back.
One eternity later.
Yeah. I got a bite. Oh, feel nice. Feel like a nice one. Oh, it's pulling drag. Let's see what we're working with. I feel a little heavy now. Oh, it's a nice one. Let's see. I don't have my scale with me today, but I did bring my net. Say nice. He's probably about the same size I usually catch. Let's see if you can see him. Probably like 20 pounds. Look at that. See how he fit in that net. Got him in the net. Let some line out. No, come on. There we go. Let's get him up in here. Good fish, good fish. Right in the corner of the mouth with that circle hook. Let's see, baby. I've been waiting for a while. This fish kind of looked like you've been playing with it, and he finally hit it. Look at my fish grippers. Oh, he wasn't going anywhere. That hook was buried. Let's go. Look at that. How's that chalk? To reuse my bait. Thank you, fish. Thank you kindly. I'll just hook it the other way. Take him out in a minute. Get me slimy. It's a pretty nice one. Let me take some pictures with my phone. Alright, when I first got out here, I said I was going to stay in this spot for about an hour. And then I'm going to move. I ended up staying in this spot a lot longer than an hour. But as the saying goes, if you leave it in the water long enough, something gonna bite it. And so I've been fishing in the same spot for a good little while, and I finally got something to hit. So that's proof. If you leave it in the water long enough, something gonna bite it. Let's try to get another one though. Look at him. Nice one. Look at him. About to let him go. Let's see. Reposition my camera. He gonna try to take my grippers with him. Watch. Don't take my grippers. Oh! Come on. I'm trying to let you go free. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. See, he was nice enough to not splash me, y'all. He was nice enough to not splash me. I don't necessarily mind days like this. You just sitting here, hanging out on the water. A beautiful day. And end up catching a nice quality fish. Hopefully I could get more, but if not, I'm satisfied with that. I got my fix. Yeah, I'm one of those people that always say I would rather catch one 20-pounder than 21-pounders, unless it's time to eat. If I'm fishing to eat, it's something different because the 1-pounders taste better, obviously. But if it's a day like this where I'm just fishing, I don't care too much about the activity. But if I get me a nice quality fish, then it makes the trip worth it. But yeah, like I said, let's try to get 2 quality fish or 3 quality fish. That's the goal. I'm gonna be out here till maybe right before it gets dark. And I'll get back at you when I get another one. Alright guys, the temperature dropping, the sun about to go down, and I guess I'm gonna wrap this trip up today. I had fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy the views. See you next time. Peace.